Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can create a Chewy account. Well, it's quite easy. So first of all, make sure that you have installed Chewy application on your phone and simply open it. So if you are new to the application, the first thing that you will see will be a blue page, and then you'll get the option of sign in or create. Since I am familiar with the application, I'll get to the home page just like this, and then from here you can tap on the account option right here. And then you'll get the option of sign in or create account. If you are new to the application, you can simply tap on this type of button that you can see, sign in or create account. And after doing that, here we'll get to the sign in page, from which you'll have to write down your email address. So here you can also see the option of continue with Google or continue with Apple. So if you want to do either of that, you can tap on them and then connect your account with Google or Apple. But for now, I'm going to do it manually, so I'm going to write down my email address. After doing that, tap on continue. And then in here, you'll have to now write down your name. So after writing down your name, again, tap on next. And then here, you'll have to now select a method to create an account. So in here, you can also select the option of get an one-time code. Here you'll have to write down your number and a OTP will be sent to you, and you'll have to enter your OTP and create your account likewise. But here you can also see the option of create a passkey. If you choose this option, you'll need to create a passkey. Here you can also see the option of create a password. If you tap on it, you'll need to create yourself a strong password for your Chewy account. I'm going to create a password for now. So after creating yourself a strong password or creating passkey, here you'll have to tap on the create account. And after doing that, here you'll also be notified by your mail. And just like this, you have now successfully created yourself Chewy account. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.